Welcome to the big comfy couch, B-Rad.
I'm Kirsten.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Justin.
Graham.
So this is for True Grit. I would say it's a 2 out of 10. Couldn't
Thumbs
understand.
down.
Yeah, 2 thumbs down. Could not understand what the characters were saying.
Yeah, Cockburn had a pretty strong accent. I think they could have toned it down a little bit. It's probably accurate for the time, but
But I can't understand.
no. You want to talk about gender?
Okay, one of the social commentaries that we saw is the defying gender roles, and Maddie, the girl, like the main character, was the only woman in the movie, and she talked about how her mom was really weak, but she was like the strongest person in the movie, and kept pushing through her quest.
Also, they made a couple references to like when LaBeef and Cogburn were like arguing. Cogburn said that they were like talking like women, and I guess that kind of like has a like
For the era.
demeaning towards.
They also had a lot of, or not a lot, they had the foreshadowing of the snake whenever they're all around the campfire, and I don't know what the purpose of the rope was, but he was like, it'll protect me from
keep 'em
snakes.
away,
It- Rope does?
I guess.
Weird.
Is that why he circled it around him?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And so, like, you knew, like, why would you include that in a movie if it didn't have any relevance?
Yeah, and then Cogburn's like, yeah, the snake wouldn't want to eat you because you're too bony, so it's kind of.
But it did,
It did.
It's, like, misleading, or, I don't know.
and she lost an arm because of it.
I also want to point out, I thought it was another reason I didn't really like the movie is because the characters seemed too she like latched onto them too quickly, and she like started to cry when LaBeef left the second time. And I just feel like he wasn't even like he was gone for like the middle part of the movie, and they shouldn't have had that like such close relationship. So I thought it was kind of like unwarranted.
And I couldn't figure out, like, as easily the character arcs, like, of each individual character.
Well, the LaBeef or not Cogburn was like he was pushing her away, and then obviously like carries her to safety.
Like, the father figure that she never really had, because hers got killed.
I felt like the quest was kind of anticlimactic too.
Yeah.
I felt like we
Yeah.
were just watching the movie, and then all of a sudden she
Finds
blows
him.
the dude off the
Side.
cliff.
Yeah.
Work.
Why did I say that?
But I feel like that should have been the climax, but then she fell down a hole. Like it was like, like
It was so funny. She was so dumb.
Yeah.
Oh no. Couldn't understand their language. Couldn't understand what they were saying.
I don't think Maddie really arced either, to be honest.
I couldn't figure out her
LaBeef probably.
'Cause she was just like-
LaBeef arc.
Shia LaBeouf.
Shut up.
They both kind of like
But he didn't.
Started to
really,
they're
warm up
super
to her.
macho,
Yeah.
And
but
helped her in the
LaBeef
end.
was always nice, wasn't he?
she was always
But he wasn't-
hard-headed.
Yeah. Except whenever he spanked her.
That's weird.
But her arc I couldn't
Couldn't understand.
really figure out.
Oh, she did.
She just kind of had her mission. She was going to do her mission. Accomplish mission. Lost an arm.
I think through the
She
quest,
lost her
they warmed up to
forearm.
her.
Still had her.
Whole thing.
Semantics.
Whole thing. Alright.
Well,
That was this episode of the Big Comfy Couch.
see you in class. Dr. B. Radhammer. Dab.